That's what you asked for. What do you think,
seem
Sonny?
very excited.
What do you think, baby?
I love it.
Look, you can put things in it. He's got a zipper on top.
What's his name?
Nothing.
He doesn't have a name?
No. Oh, I love it. It's a unicorn.
Woo!
Mom, take it off. Take it off.
Mom, scissors.